Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Welcome to my new home. I just moved recently. I've got a bigger kitchen. I'm just gonna be cooking some really great stuff in here, including this XO sauce and tomato pasta. Now, if you don't have a bottle of XO sauce, you should get on it right away. It's got a ton of super savory ingredients like dried shallots, dried shrimp. We've got a bit of cured ham in there as well, chilies. It's so good. And if you're lucky like me and you get yours for free from a friend who makes their own at home, it's just next level. That paired along with a nice fruity olive oil and deliciously ripe cherry tomatoes. Oh, it's just so good, and I can't wait to get this started. Shout out to Serious Eats who has the original recipe here, but let's go ahead and try my own take on it. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!